Let's go. Texas, baby. That fucking Jermison's in the back seat. We're not even out of New Jersey, and
We're still in Jersey, but we're going to Texas.
we're going to town. We're looking. My computer's still turning on.
I feel weird, but
And there's an airplane right there.
Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Got me tripping, I think I had enough, yeah. Now I'm feeling dumb, now I'm feeling dumb. It won't happen twice, cause it happened once, yeah. It's been way too long since you kept this up. Maybe it's time you ran out of luck, yeah. Now you been saying you can't fess up. Why you telling me to keep it hush, yeah? Being cautious even when I'm choosing. I can make you blind when you're losing. Tell me why all these emotions. There's something about me you should notice. I will never be the same boy that you used to know. Left me in the cold, but I told you, hey, you don't like.
driving through the Great Alabama River.
Stopping at an Airbnb in Austin, and so we can freshen up a little bit.
And we'll get back to you when we get there.
And we'll see you soon. Finally arrived in Texas. We friggin' made it. Studio apartment. Someone killed me? Whoa, they got the flex screen on here. The curve. Well, we officially made it to Austin, Texas. So that means it's time to fucking chug these beers.
Myself a smile on the real ones. Coming in the way, come between us. Acquaintances pretending that's to know ya. If you don't believe in me, then I'll show ya. You can hold us down for mistakes you made. Running, taking L's, always getting pace. Moving like we're ninjas, we don't leave a trace. Moving too slow, but I keep up with the pace. You won't catch me playing, I'm only saying. Never giving up, we never complaining. If you're only by the drama, I don't worry cause it's still God. I still got my ones. They've been watching from my back, catch it then.
We're finally here. Fucking New Braunfels, Texas.
Got this guy to put the bike on that thing.
27-hour drive, one night stay.
Oh, fucking made it.
Here we are. Keep you updated.
Alright, gotta pick up the
He's
bike.
like, oh, it's a motorcycle.
Oh yeah, it is.
We're gonna have to move that cooler.
See what happens. Ducati right there. Oh, our suckers are wrecked.
I'm scared to look at it.
Bro, it's just the front. This front fence.
Oh man, she's been sitting out here for a little while.
Yeah.
That termie's fucked.
Fucked, yeah.
Actually, we could probably clean that up. Replace the slip-on. Ooh, that I didn't see in the picture. Where the mount, dude, that's snapped. The mount for the butt for the exhaust.
Yeah, you wanna come here, yeah, yeah. Find a way out, you feel, yeah, yeah. I don't wanna settle for less. Need some frenemies, never get to me. Tryna interfere, but got my one shaking it for me. Robert stepping up the game.
Bits and chips.
You won't catch me playing, I'm only saying. Never giving up, you never complaining. If you're only about the
Fucking did it.
I don't worry, cause it's still bad.
Copart, baby. I wanna
All right, we got this sucker loaded up. Gonna see if she fires. Fuel pump kicks.
Give it a shot. Over there. This. Now right here. Pull the clutch in. Click that.
Let's go! Let's go! Fucking rules, baby! Let's go! That's fire. Don't let it run for long.
Yeah, now.
Let's go!
Back to New York we go. Got the fucking bike. Quick buff job. A couple scratches. It'll buff out, I think. I got a detail guy. I think he's pretty good. I know a guy.
How you feeling?
Shot.
Weak.
Ready to get this fucking bike off the truck.
I got the boys home. Took a lot of shifts.
A lot of hours driving.
Here we are.
That's how you fucking man out in Texas. Road trip. No brakes. Oh, home sweet home.
Go down.
Nice. Need to turn this thing over the other way. Yeah. Let's try and slide it over more. I can open the box.
Watch your bike. That was gonna be way later than that.
Yeah. She's in though. Fucking in. Oh my god, dude.
Look, I guess that it's different. Maybe that's why you can't hang. Maybe that's why I'm distant. Cause we're not on the same page. Look, I come from a good home where it's love and it's never hate.